And now I'm playing on me, nigga, 4 chains on me. I ain't tripping about that hoe, nigga, she came on me. I got a bitch from the west, she a suckin' nigga soft. Bitch from the east, she a fucking nigga dog. Still playing with that raw, even though I got a deal. Had to get up out your city, I just got a nigga killed. Pause, I'm lying, kinda still sippin' out the final. Rossi Cotton and no partners, I want 4-2 for each. Niggas up blue for free, that's my nigga, come and kick it. Mr. Stiller, sir, the city, I'm the reason it's some chicken. Why the fuck you in the kitchen tryna turn one? The air quit pulling on the blender before you burn something. Baby say she want a real nigga, she don't get it. Why you ain't never up and I told you I been sippin', still go harder for my niggas. I could bring you back. Turks in the city, white lows, blue fast. No, I keep 2 flags, I'm bang. I just drop years for the gang. Catch me in the city, young nigga, 4 chains. Sign a CMG, still in the dope game. I was straight 4 pain, really got it out the mud. Big 4 gang, catch me riding with the thugs, and I got it on my own. Ain't nobody help me. Remain humble, sell crack the dope ends. You can't little bro me, bitch, I really got a check. Throw 2 in this shit, I be really on that. Put the city on my back, still remember hard times. 2018 was the year my dog died. Pull up in frog eyes, yeah, nigga, we winning. I'm mirrors on low, if not, we Tim.
Me and 42 pulling up twin billions. Peanut butter seats on my windows tinted.
No, I keep 2 flags, I'm bang. I just drop years for the gang.
Tired from the D to LA. Always keep it 100K. Number 1 nigga, but they never gonna admit it. I was doing 200 in the Rari and got a ticket. Every time they see me, they say they ain't seen me in a minute. Probably fucking on you bitches, probably running up to digits. Budgie out of wheels, both lanes. Floor man said nigga name. Interrogation feds try to put us on the board, never identified. All my niggas always getting dough, it's always chicken time. I got niggas in the box, gon' call me collect. I got model bitches that be tryna call me for sex. And you know what they say, if it ain't directed, then they respected. You see them out in public, they gon' act like they never said it. I see by the seaside, I throw it up 2 times. Yo nigga got engaged to Cardi, bought it off Groupon. One of the young niggas that be getting love in the city. From the hub to the dub in the tub up with him.
Frog eyes, yeah, nigga, we winning. I'm mirrors on low, if not, we Tim.
Me and 42 pulling up twin billions. Peanut butter seats on my windows tinted.
No, I keep 2 flags, I'm bang. I just drop years for the gang.
Tired from the D to LA. Always keep it 100K.
All of my brags turn to facts. All my brags turn to facts. All my hundreds turn to racks. All my ladies turn to snacks. SUVs black on SUVs black on black. I was fucking up, but now I'm back on track. That's a fact. Filet mignon, that's on Jack. I done turned the penthouse suite into my natural habitat. I just got my taxes back. That shit cut my cash in half, and it hurt. Main chicks say I'm a flirt. Older women fall for me, I make them press that life alert. I just took a flight back to the A, I'm ready, get right to work. Me, I keep the coolest head even when they get hyping first. Lot of people back at home, they tryna make it out the dirt. Don't stop pushing, used to catch Z's on the couch cushions. Now I call the shots like I'm John Wooden. In the kitchen with my jewelry in the pot cooking. Walking through the mall and they can't stop looking. I ain't lying. All my brags turn to facts. All my hundreds turn to racks. All my ladies turn to snacks. SUVs black on SUVs black on black. I was fucking up, but now I'm back on track. That's a fact.
Yeah, I seen hitters turn to rats. Went from Hemi to them cats. Remember, tread me in my track. SUVs black on black. I see them talking toe, can't wait to slam them out. Can't slap. Every car I get up in, gotta have 2 up on the dash. Every hoe I won't get smashed. Tryna reach for something around my neck, get hit with the whole mag. All these new VVs on me where you can blind waffle for this glass. Stand against the odds forever, I ain't no push shit in the past. If you was looking for and couldn't find me, I was in my bag. 60 rounds under my top, all my guns got stinty mad. Put no tags up on my track, all cause I plan on doing the dash. After I get away, re-rap it all black. About your flow before you play, you gotta be smarter than that. I'm tryna go back and rebuild the hood where I was starving at. And it's a fact, you fuck with hollow, I send hollow bullets like a quarterback.
All my brags turn to facts. All my hundreds turn to racks. All my ladies turn to snacks. SUVs black on SUVs black on black. I was fucking up, but now I'm back on track. That's a fact.
Yeah, I seen hitters turn to rats. Went from Hemi to them cats. Remember, tread me in my track. SUVs black on black. I see them talking toe, can't wait to slam them out. Can't slap. Brr, brr, brr.
I been saving my guap, I ain't saving no bitch. I had put out my Glock, but I picked up a stick. Don't get in hating shit, I'm on some greatest shit. My people proud, I'm real as it gets. Gon' have to taste me, I don't like the waiting. I swear I'm impatient, I don't like to sit. I made a way for you little bitty niggas. I wish you would play with me, boy, you a bitch. Yeah, they got this out it, I told him to mail it. I don't gotta tell it, somebody gon' sell it. Bro, gon' keep it solid, I know you won't tell it. Grew up in the streets, I ain't never saw belly. I didn't have shit, I ain't never get jealous. Born in this shit, I grew up with some felons. Reach for this water, we'll go at your melon. My little bro, slime, he'll throw on the real.
Gotta stand on that. No problem. Got no flaw.
I don't really have to talk about stepping, cause my niggas never get caught when it happen. I'm still on serve in the morning, I'm snapping. You can take this as you want and I'm packing. F in inside of my hand when I'm backing. Get the acting, I promise we clapping. Those hope it gotta be stuck on the package. It's the real when you know that I'm taxing. Get the ball, I'ma score, I'm passing. Got no love for no hoe, I ain't passionate. I done ran up a dub on an accident. To the streets on the voice, I'm an advocate. That's the plug, this the most you done never seen. Niggas broke, what's the most you done never spent? Getting paid, this the most I done never saved. We gon' hop out with K's. I been saving my guap, I ain't saving no bitch. I had put out my Glock, but I picked up a stick. Don't get in hating shit, I'm on some greatest shit. My people proud, I'm real as it gets. Gon' have to taste me, I don't like the waiting. I swear I'm impatient, I don't like to sit. I made a way for you little bitty niggas. I wish you would play with me, boy, you a bitch. I been saving my guap, I ain't saving no bitch. I had put out my Glock, but I picked up a stick. Don't get in hating shit, I'm on some greatest shit. My people proud, I'm real as it gets. Gon' have to taste me, I don't like the waiting. I swear I'm impatient, I don't like the niggas. I wish you would play with me, boy, you a bitch.
All this shit started off in the kitchen. Show me once and I was paying attention. As the trenches, they gon' say I'm the realest official. The difference between me and niggas, I'm rich when I get off my Insta. Get them killed by the knife for a 60. I sent it, I can't even risk it. I was when we finished, but I'm steadily winning. Youngest, richest nigga out of my city. I been had the streets in the headlock. We had 2 or 3 bricks in Miss Jan's spot. Still dead fresh if the feds watch. Send a diss and hide and get your man shot. Niggas play, but they know we gon' air it out. She was acting bougie, flew a friend out. I went took it, ain't asked for a handout. Old niggas see me out and put their head down. I still got my block if the music don't crack. Really living what I rap. 250 out the trap. If I say it, it's a fact. You was putting on an act. You a killer on the app. As who put us on the map. Put the hood on my back. 3 cars in strap. Niggas better never
I been saving my guap, I ain't saving no bitch. I had put out my Glock, but I picked up a stick. Don't get in hating shit, I'm on some greatest shit. My people proud, I'm real as it gets. Gon' have to taste me, I don't like the waiting. I swear I'm impatient, I don't like to sit. I made a way for you little bitty niggas. I wish you would play with me, boy, you a bitch. I been saving my guap, I ain't saving no bitch. I had put out my Glock, but I picked up a stick. Don't get in hating shit, I'm on some greatest shit. My people proud, I'm real as it gets. Gon' have to taste me, I don't like the waiting. I swear I'm impatient, I don't like to sit. I made a way for you little bitty niggas. I wish you would play with me, boy, you a bitch. Yeah.
Bitch, put my dick in your face, put my gun in your purse, put my work in your pussy. Bitch, don't come on to work. Pass the weed to your slime. These niggas greener than lime. So many knots in my pockets, the bitches need a massage. I was born in a drought. I hope I die in your mouth. If you a rat, you should've died as a mouse. The weed louder than the opera house. Till the fat lady sing. Drop codeine in my punch. I'm about to take a swing. If niggas thinking I'm soft, I knock your thinking cap off. I get blood out these pussies. I'm a stinking tampon. This for my niggas back home. I'm still New Orleans regardless. Got bitches falling like August. Cause sell bullshit to a Taurus. My bitch is better than me. Call that Adam and Eve. I do tricks on my skateboard, not up my sleeve. I kiss your bitch on the neck, shoot your man in the head. Get his mama address and send his parents his head. I play with pussy, not these niggas. Crucify these niggas, kidnap them, call they boss and ask them who gon' buy these niggas. Got Lil Wayne on her ass, Lil Tunchi on her titties. To kill me, you gotta die with me, with me, with me, with me, with me, with me.
We ain't playing, got 100 rap. In the van, got 100 gas. Streets with me, she's with me, he's with me,
I'm with you, with me.
We ain't playing, got 100 rap. In the van, got 100 gas. Strong with me, gas with me. Everybody trying with me. I ain't never been dumb, my nigga, or something either. Go ahead, play around with it. Cash on dick, just be laying around with it. Got a K fuck with us, I be spraying rounds with it. I'm cold. Don't believe me, just ask your bitch. I swear she know her legs up, how she spread eagle, and then took in my big ego. I'm stupid, attitude to them. Let me tell you a little something about me. I talk shit, Brett, like Muhammad Ali. Then whoop a nigga ass like Muhammad Ali. I'm thorough. I'm sure no one would care. We just put them out their misery with no sympathy and no grief. Leave home with no heat. Cause niggas talk bullshit on records and see them in public and they never do nothing. You violate our demonstrations, I'ma put niggas up under wherever we want. I got racks in my pocket right next to my llama, some more in my bags, a couple more hundred. Get that to my gun, they spraying wherever. So don't reach for that when you seeing me now. Whoever fuck with me be smoking the city. You ready for war? You bout that like Philly? You catch me in Cali, you catch me in Philly. See me in Miami, them choppers is with me. Don't keep no niggas who be gossiping with me. Looking for your bitch when she probably with me. With me. We ain't playing, got 100 rap. With me. In the van, got 100 gas. With me. Straights with me. She's with me. He's with me. We ain't playing, got 100 rap. With me. In the van, got 100 gas. With me. Strong with me. Gas with me. Drink with me.
Put some money, weed with me.
Alright.
Before you judge me, I plead guilty. I wish a nigga would, I won't get a splinter. Just bought a chicken, bout to break it down to chicken tenders. Block booming, I'm not human. My drop zooming, my eyes booming. One giant leap for mankind, I'm high as moving. How have you been? Gun ain't on my waist, but it ain't that far away. I'm sparkling like some Chardonnay. Here today, gone today. I play with pussy, not these niggas. Crucify these niggas. Kidnap them, call they boss and ask them who gon' buy these niggas. Got Lil Wayne on her ass, Lil Tunchi on her titties. To kill me, you gotta die with me.
Hey, wait, man, these niggas ain't true. Holy on the yard, these niggas can't do. These niggas ain't king, these niggas ain't tuned. Got the game locked up, covered every angle. Got the outside, inside, middle lane too. All sold up, nigga, hold up, nigga. Pimps on the loop, put your hoes up, nigga. Handcuff that bitch when we roll up, nigga. We'll hit that bitch from pole up in her head and shoulders of another hoe up in her with the legs hanging out. And she dead just about, then we roll it so loud and we leave at the house. We leave at the house counting hundreds and fifties and go do a show for 250. We sell out arenas and Hondas a city. These niggas want trouble, I'm bringing it with me. We ain't playing, got 100 rap. In the van, got 100 gas. With me. Streets with me. She's with me. He's with me. I'm with me. We ain't playing, got 100 rap. With me. In the van, got 100 gas. With me. Strong with me. Gas with me. Drink with me.
Alright. They ain't fucking with me. No, they ain't fucking with me. Yo, tip with me. They ain't fucking with us, pimp. My bad, I didn't mean to scream like that, sorry.
If Drew didn't film it, then it ain't filmed right.
Yo, shit on the curb, boy, we put in work from 64.
Hard body.
Ain't that DJ Charles over there? Look like DJ Charles.
My mama steppin', I can't walk by faith. Every day I wake up to some brand new hate. Every nigga ops, every nigga wants some. It's on everybody top. All these storms that I welcome, most couldn't take. I got problems with some niggas cause I won't be fake. Every nigga ops, every nigga wants some. It's on everybody top. I beat a case cause I wouldn't talk. You heard that side of the story, but that shit was false. The only ones that want revenge is the ones that lost. I got niggas mad at me cause I wouldn't cross. Solid as they come. You niggas ain't bust shit, how long you had that gun? Why I'm getting so much hate, I ain't mad at them. But they feelings nice up, I threw a bag at them. Damn, had to turn my thug up. Had to put my love up. Cause I don't know who hate no more. They say I'm dead, I don't even wanna wait no more. I'm a stepper, I can't walk by faith. Every day I wake up to some brand new hate. Every nigga ops, every nigga wants some. It's on everybody top. All these stars that I welcome, most couldn't take. I got problems with some niggas cause I won't be fake. Every nigga ops, every nigga wants some. It's on everybody top.
My mama stopper. See my cousin dance on my face, I couldn't help. Your clothes on me, I'll try to backdoor you if you let him. I just sent the text 150 if you catch him. Strut. You ever been on the other side of the barrel? You tell your shorties go and slide, you gotta prep them on. And when you fall out with your brothers, just don't let them go. And they ain't telling before he died, I wish I let them know. Standing over your body, I got my tears together. I just let you know I got your kids forever. Taking all these drugs, wish I could live forever. I ain't gon' even tell them what we did together.
My mama steppin', I can't walk by faith. Every day I wake up to some brand new hate. Every nigga ops, every nigga wants some. Everybody top, all these stars that I welcome, niggas cause I won't be fake. Every nigga ops, every nigga wants it's on everybody top. Damn, had to turn my thug up, had to put my love up. Cause I don't know who hate no more. They say I'm dead, I don't even wanna wait no more. All these storms that I weather, most couldn't take. I got problems with some niggas cause I won't be fake. Every nigga ops, every nigga wants it's on everybody top.
Hey, my way do.
If you want it, you got it. You know how I'm rockin'. They never could stop it. It's stuffed in my pocket. I go up for the score and they never could block it. After the show, I count up in the miles. Tears fall from the lies despite 100 bands through the time of the night. When you left, I ain't wanna live life. Now I'm happy on the in and outside. Can you make it better? Trap out like Griselda. Post up with Berettas. Hustling through the night, yeah. Spin the block for the stretch on. Wake the hood up when we wet them. And it's all gonna be alright, yeah. When that road choice take your life, press you be on top of that Nike print. Friend of rich niggas kicking your bake though. And they shit give a roll it to niggas who own it, who don't know a thing but trap though. Blue faces, I put that over net. That shit that we sellin' up make you relapse though. Thinking I'm slippin', run up and get clapped though. I put that knife on the map though. Turn up on a bitch when I'm gone off a perk. That hoe gon' fuck on a fast beat. Been behind me, do the dash, keepin' up in the vert. You get jacked out your shit, you can't text me. Pussy nigga throwing shots, ain't at me. Strapped up, tell a nigga get at me. Tough love for a bitch, won't trap me. Pay for the body, then I give him the Mac free. Got a pound in the car, I'ma smoke on that. Left the stay for a show and I'm coming back. If he say he won't smoke, ain't no falling back. Want a bitch for the play, I'ma blow the strap. He ain't using his head, put it in his lap. He ain't ballin', could tell that he only rap. I just put 40 bands inside the trap. Every manifestation I'm calling real. Gang. Now can you make it better? Trap out like Griselda. Post up with Berettas. Hustling through the night, yeah. Tell Jill bust a right, yeah. Hop out gun flames through the night, yeah. You know how I'm rockin', you know that I'm with it. You loyal to me, I make sure that you get it. If you want it, you got it. You know how I'm rockin', they never could stop it. It's stuffed in my pocket. I go up for the score and they never could block it. After the show, I count up in the miles. Tears fall from the lies despite 100 bands through the time of the night. When you left, I ain't wanna live life. Now I'm happy on the in and outside. Pick it up, throw it out, watch it come back. Got a whole 100 racks in the D or a bag. Count up that money, I run up the sack. Born on a jet with an illegal strap. That shit that they talk, I can tell you is cap. Up off the X and I only took half. Stay energized, I fall back from the tab. But I have it my way, I'ma pay off the staff. I feel like it ain't no bitch I can have. Selling run boot with the fur like a bell. Balenciaga, that Gucci and Prada. I got on R3 and I boss every pair. When it's up, we'll be sliding and ducking from 12. Time wise, clockwise, I never fail. Ain't no slacking, we hustlin', we on it for real. He don't give it, we take it, you know what it is. Now can you make it better? Trap out like Griselda. Post up with Berettas. Hustling through the night, yeah. Spin the block for the stretch on. Wake the hood up when we wet on. And it's all gonna be alright, yeah. When that wrong choice take your life, yeah. Be on top of that Nike print. Friend of rich niggas kicking your bake though. And they shit give a roll it to niggas who own it, who don't know a thing but trap though. Blue faces, I put that over net. That shit that we sellin' up make you relapse though. Thinking I'm slippin', run up and get clapped though. I put that knife on the map, po. Gang.
Bitch, I got my own fight, don't need security in the club. All they wolfing on the neck, nigga, I thought you was a thug. I ain't got nowhere to go, I shot up everywhere they was. Yeah, you know who took this shit from you, come get it back in blood. Brr, brr, bitch, come get it back in blood. We ain't mask up, no Dodger X, niggas know who it was. It's doing shit just like the 80s, want some back, get it in blood. Yeah, you know who took this shit from you, come get it back in blood. If your nigga killer ain't dead, you should wear no RP shirt. We